Good day. My name is Rhonda Yoder, and I'm from the United States of America. I'm here in Atterau working for Tingui Chevroil, and I've had the pleasure of visiting the museum today and seeing the amazing, precious artifacts that have been discovered. I have heard that this is the cradle of Kazakhstan and the civilization, Kazakh civilization. And I think seeing these precious artifacts and understanding how advanced the society was, how many things they did, and the precious life they lived is just amazing. Beautiful museum. I highly recommend to come visit the Atterau region and the museum.
Thank you.